my channel for another video, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. For today's video, I have a ton of fun fall content. I'm going to be including some fall decorating that I've been doing here in our home. I'm also going to be sharing some baking and a fun Halloween DIY. I had a friend over a couple days ago and we did the cutest little Halloween DIY on some sweatshirts, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it in the comments down below. I would also love to hear how you've been liking my fall content, and if you have any other requests before I transition into the Christmas content, which I know it sounds so early, but it's absolutely crazy how early Christmas stuff is coming out. Let me know if you would like to see anything for the remainder of the year here on my channel. I would love to film that for you. Now, if you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me over on Instagram. The link is always in the description box down below. I post so much more over there. I do a lot of fun giveaways over there, which will get more frequent as the holidays come, so you don't want to miss out on that. Thank you so much for being here for today's video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Starting out in our half bathroom, I'm going to be adding this really pretty fall arrangement that I picked up from Target a few years ago, but they have brought it back, so I will, as always, link everything that I can in the description box down below. Next, I'm putting some of these beautiful sunflower picks into this vase that I DIY'd from Hobby Lobby. For the different seasons, I love to change out our soaps in our bathrooms and also in the kitchen for our dish soap. So I'm going to be adding this little amber glass arrangement, and I'm going to be using this Scentsy soap and pouring that into my Sweetwater Decor soap dispenser. This little wooden pedestal is from Michael's, but they do have a very similar one on Amazon, so I will have that linked down below for you. I've used this piece all over my house, and it is one of my favorite home decor pieces that I own. Next up, we are adding some fall touches in our primary bathroom. These flowers have been in there since springtime, so I thought it was time to change them out. This vase is from Hobby Lobby, and the stems are an old but goodie from Target. I didn't add too much to here, and you will see here in just a second, I am also doing a really simple change on these floating shelves. I honestly am not super happy with our bathroom. I would love to do some tile up the wall, change out the mirrors and light fixtures, but for now I'm working with what we got. So I'm putting these amber glass arrangements, and I ended up switching the picture frame for a pumpkin to give it a little more of a fall feel. I also wanted to share with you a fun unboxing of our new Elle's Pet litter box. Now, this is the first automatic cat litter box with a safety door. So once the cat touches the door, it'll immediately stop working. And once the cat has finished, the door closes and keeps odors from escaping. And then the unit will automatically collect the waste and empty it into a separate basket. Litter is super simple to put in here. All you do is simply pour it straight into the robot litter box. As I'm showing here, this is the little waste bin in the back of the litter box, and it also has a little rake right there if you need that. The thing that I love about this is that you can control control it all on an app on your phone. You can also turn on a little light if you want to make it easier for your pet to find at night. And it also has UV technology that gets rid of viruses and bacteria, which is just amazing. So if you've been looking for a new litter box for your cat, definitely check this one out. I'll have it linked down below for you. And thank you so much to Elle's Pet for sending this over. For our front porch, I'm going to start by taking down our front door sign. And I'm going to be putting this wreath that I got from Target. I got this last year on sale when everything was being salvaged out. I believe this was under $2, so such a steal, and I love the way that it looks up against the color of our front door. Now originally I wanted to put down a Halloween mat. You will see later in the video that I end up changing it out. The bottom rug is from Target. That was a few years ago, so sadly I won't be able to link it, but I will link this Hey Boo doormat. I'm going to put this into our garage because I still love it. It's only $10 from Target. These mums are from Costco. Such a great deal, under $20, and these things are massive. I'm then layering in my fake mums that I showed you last year. Got these from Hobby Lobby, and they're going to last me for years and years to come, and I don't have to spend money or worry about keeping them alive. So here I am coming in with my pumpkin doormat. I believe this is from Kirkland's or Target. I can't remember. It's a couple years old now. My parents and my aunt actually came over this day to help me, and my dad was setting up all my pumpkins, so I just kind of gave him directions on where to put them. I got these pumpkins from Walmart, and they are the cheapest that I found. I love Trader Joe's as well, but sadly they didn't have any of the bigger fantasy pumpkins when I went. Now that we have the front porch done, I'm going to share with you how we do our jack-o'-lantern archway. As you can see, we use some PVC pipe, and I put holes in the back of the pumpkins, which you'll see later. We are just going to zip tie this to our archway in the front of our house. We did this last year, so that is why some of the pumpkins are still attached, because when we took this down, we just stored it standing up in our garage to make it a lot easier for this year. All of these pumpkins are from Michael's. Definitely make sure that when you're getting pumpkins to do this archway that they are hollow on the inside. We got some from Hobby Lobby on sale last year that I was going to use, and unfortunately they were not hollow. So here is how I made holes in the back of the pumpkins to attach them with zip ties. For the top pumpkins, I did it a little bit different and had to make the holes at the very top of the pumpkin since it was hanging. And if I did it on the back, it would just kind of completely fall down. So definitely had to do something a little different here, but I really love the way that it turned out. Last year I didn't have pumpkins on the top, so I was very happy to add some this year. I decided to add these little spiders that I had from last year onto the corner of the arch, and then it is time to string some lights in. So those holes that we put in the back of the pumpkins are going to be used to put the Christmas lights into. These are what we use on our house for Christmas time, so it's nice to get some use out of them. This is what it looks like in the daytime, and this is what it looks like at nighttime. I love the way this came out so much. It's one of my favorite things, and a lot of our neighbors love it, so I like to bring it back every single year. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below what you think of it and if you would try this at your house. Now moving on to our fun Halloween DIY. I'm just using my Cricut and some heat transfer vinyl to print out the design that we wanted. We got our sweatshirts from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm just going to use my Cricut Easy Press to transfer that on to our sweatshirts. We're also going to be doing a little ghost on the front of the sweatshirt too. We love the way that this turned out, and I can't wait to wear this for the Halloween season. last part of this video, I'm going to do some baking. These are my favorite pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. Now, unfortunately, I was out of normal white sugar, so I substituted it with brown sugar. They still tasted very yummy. It was just a little bit different consistency and color. I got more sugar, so I will be set to go. I plan on doing a ton more fall baking, so if you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments below. I will leave the recipe that I always use. I actually got it from one of the girls I watch here on YouTube, which I'm sure so many of you are subscribed to, Kaylin Cash. I'll leave her YouTube channel down below as well, but they are so yummy and so easy to make. Once those come out of the oven, that is going to complete this video. I hope that you enjoyed coming along for a full fall packed video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!